Alright, so what do we got going on here, guys?
Oh, we got a pregnant one right here.
A pregnant what?
Worm.
How you know?
How you know? No, right here.
I mean, it does have a lump.
Please take the picture.
what do you have in your hand?
Oh, this worm really counts.
Why you have worms in your hand?
Oh, that's pregnant.
We're trying to find all the worms out of the soil.
Correct. Darius, what you got?
At least like 13 worms.
Here, Mary.
Alright, so what is this called right here? What are we dissecting? What you got, Beanie? What are we doing? Give us a quick explanation of why. Alright, so vermiculture. Alright, let's start with you off. What else you got? Is a combination of soil and compost and worms.
Oh, I like picking them up.
Yeah, exactly.
I can find a way to stick them and pick them up.
But wait, Amir.
What you guys got over here?
Oh, crap.
A bunch of germs.
Is she scared of worms? I got the noodles. Cause I think she was scared. Hey, I got this one. I got this. I want this.
You don't really get it. Oh my god, dude. Oh, that's a fatty jigger.
Yo, this one don't fast.
Let me see what you guys got. What you got there? What's this?
Oh, look at that. They got like a whole bowl of them jumps.
You need to enunciate your words, because I thought you said something else.
Can we go fishing?
What? Oh,
Huh?
Fishing with these?
Can we go fishing? I guess we could go fishing if you want to go fishing.
I never went fishing before.
You never went fishing before?
I've heard about the bark.
Well, we're fishing this summer. How about
I
that?
already have one in my hand for like 10 seconds.
Oh!
10 seconds.
What you got, Buddha?
Baby one.
I'll take the baby. I like the big boys.
Oh my